What's up guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs, and today I have a 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go over the features of the inside, some of the interior features, and also the aftermarket parts that we added. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, before we get started, I just want to take a minute to appreciate some of the things that Chevy has done with the new body style. One of those things is going to be the headlights. I think that's one of the first things that my eyes are drawn to. I think they are a very nice modern look, and it makes it look sporty and just pretty cool. I also really like the grille on this, and I like how they added the bronze copperish finish to the grille as well. So you can see some of those features on the inside as well. Also, just like the amount of chrome that they added, it makes it a nice classy look and nice, very clean. I like the black and chrome look. It's probably one of my favorite color schemes on most vehicles. So we can go ahead and start on the build. The lift kit is going to be a 7-inch Rough Country suspension lift kit. Rough Country is a less expensive brand, as you guys know, but again, they do pride themselves on the fact that they are making quality product that is less expensive. So that's why we go with them. They are going to be running you guys less money, and that's one of the things that we try to do, is try to save you some money. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel Contra, and usually on Chevys and the GMCs, we can only put a 10 wide or even 9 wide, depending on the lift kit size. But with the 7-inch and the new body style with the more rounded fenders, we are able to fit a bigger wheel and tire package. So the offset on this one is going to be a -44, and that's going to be pushing out your wheel and tire about 3 to 4 inches from the fender. And I'll go ahead and show you that on the back wheel. You're going to be able to see that it does stick out a fair amount, and so you do want to take that into consideration if you are going to be putting bigger wheels and tires on, if you're going to put 12 wides on or going to be purchasing this truck. That's something you're going to want to definitely take into consideration. So the finish on this one is going to be gloss black and milled, with your millings being on the outside of the spokes and on your rivets, and also on the fuel, which is etched into the side as well. Your tire is going to be a 35-12-50 R22 Nitto Grappler, which is a all-terrain tire. It's also considered a hybrid tire, so it's going to be great off-road and on-road. It's going to give you the look of a mud-terrain tire, and also give you a nice quiet ride on-road because of the pitch pattern that it does have. So that pretty much wraps up the build. So we now can go ahead on the inside of the truck and see some of the features that it has. The first thing is going to be your power running boards, which is comes out very quickly, which is going to be nice. I'm also going to point out real quick, the bronze finish, like it was on the grille, is going to be on your steering wheel and on your center console as well, so it ties in that look from the outside on the inside as well. On the entertainment system, I'm going to go ahead and show, this is the home screen. You're going to have a split view between your navigation, radio, and also if you are connecting your phone, you're going to be able to access that as well. If you swipe over from there, you're going to have some more options and more apps. One of those is going to be Apple CarPlay, so if you plug in your iPhone, you're going to be able to access like Spotify, Pandora, Apple Music, all your audiobooks and those sorts of features. You're not going to be able to access Instagram or Facebook. So you're also going to have that same idea if you're going to have an Android phone. You're going to be able to plug in your Android phone in and also access those same kind of things. The next thing is going to be your camera. You're going to have two. One is going to be just like your backup camera, and then you can switch the view to trailer. So if you point it one way, it's going to be going obviously like where you're pointing. Next is going to be your hitch. If I go ahead and press the tailgate release button, you'll see just how nice and slow it comes down, which this view is also going to be great for if you're trying to hook up your trailer by yourself. So if I go back, my Chevy is going to give you a maintenance report, so if you click on that, it will show you like your oil change and things like that. Climate control is going to be very simple and easy to use, very simple to look at. It's just a very nice and clean setup. I like it. You're also going to have heated and cooled seats. So you have two options for heated seats. You're going to have your heated and like back and bottom seats, and then you just have the heated back and cooled seats. The rear seats are also heated, so if you have anybody back there, that's going to be really nice for them. You're also going to have a heated steering wheel, so that's going to be nice in the cold winter months when you're driving. If you park your vehicle outside or whatever, it's going to be nice whether or not you do have that luxury of parking in the garage or not. Next, I'm going to go over some of these buttons down here. The first one is going to be your lane assist. It's going to keep you in your lane. If you're starting to drift one way or the other, it's going to make sure that you're staying in the middle so you're not causing any harm to anybody. Next, you're going to have your parking sensors. You can turn those on or off. Say you have a trailer and you're trying to back up, it's going to be beeping the entire time, so you can just go ahead and turn that off. Auto off is going to be, say if you come to a stop at like a stoplight or whatever, it's going to kill the engine so you can save some gas. And then we already did the tailgate, which is pretty cool. And then you have your standard things like that. Next thing is going to be your wireless charging. If you put an iPhone 10 or any of the newer phones, I'm not really sure about Samsung or Android, but I know some of the newer ones do that. But that's real nice, just putting it there. Say you hook up your phone to the radio via Bluetooth, then you won't have to plug it in either way. So you can put it for wireless charging, have it hooked up, you don't have any cords. Alright guys, that finishes up this video. I didn't go over every single feature of this truck, so if you are interested and want to see more about this truck, you can go to our website at KrietzAuto.com. You will be able to see more pictures, more videos, more information about this truck. If you have a truck that you want to get lifted, if it's a Chevy, GMC, Ford, Nissan, Toyota, whatever, we'll be able to do that for you. Just go to our website or our Facebook page at Krietz Customs and go ahead and send us a message, and we can't wait to help you out. I'll see you guys next time.